Midi het die 6de skof van die Dakar veldtydren afgesluit as die groot wenner. Die motorfabrikaat het die eerste 2 plekke vandag ingeneem, maar die Suid-Afrikaner Henk Lategan in 'n Toyota is steeds die algehele voorloper. Guillaume de Mivius het vandag sy skof gewen, gevolg deur spanmaat João Ferreira. Die voormalige wenner Nasser Al-Attiyah het 3de geëindig. Lategan moes met die 8ste plek tevrede wees en sy algehele voorsprong is tot slegs 3 minute verminder. Nog 'n Suid-Afrikaner, Sahoud Variawa, het 17de geëindig.
Yeah, we knew today maybe we'd lose a little bit of time. It was the guys up front are doing some proper pace, so no, it's hats off to them. It was our first day of some real dunes and mostly sandy tracks and things. And what happened was this last 230 k's or so I haven't done, and Brett told me it's the same stage as last year, the last bit. So obviously these guys know where the road goes and know where the dangerous spots are. So it was not really our day to push or to make up time. It's more risky to do it that way, and I think we have a decent road position for the coming days.